Is your logo scaring your customers away? A poorly designed logo and brand can break your business. Now, you could hire a professional designer and, well, drain your bank account. Or you could do it yourself with Logoflow. Logoflow is the only logo maker you'll ever need to get the recognition your business deserves. Hold up. We know what you're thinking. What a cliche, right? Another logo maker with cliche designs. But does this logo look cliche? Or this? 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 Of course not. And why would they be? Our logos are carefully crafted by our community of specialized brand designers to create the symbol that will bring your brand to life. Powered by top-notch AI, designed by real creative geniuses, and aided by a simple editor with unlimited possibilities. You can customize a unique brand tailor-made just for you. And just like that, you've got a killer logo, exactly the way you envisioned it. Or, in this case, you get something better. Export your logo in multiple file formats, and your brand is ready to take the world by storm. But wait, we're not done here. Every logo you create with Logoflow is entitled to its own brand page, where you will have access to logo variations, mock-ups, fonts, color palettes, and much more. You can even share all your brand assets with one simple shareable link. Because at Logoflow, we make your branding dreams a reality. So what are you waiting for? Jump on board and get flowing with Logoflow.